Mahima from Prep Life Global. So, do you also end up using the same sentence structure in your IELTS writing? For example, I've seen many times students repeat if a lot many times, like 3 times they have used sentence structure starting with if. So here I'm going to give you the solution where you will not repeat the use of if, and you will get variety of sentences where you think if should be used, but I'll give you the alternate for that. So let's begin. First sentence, for example, if the sentence is, if the authorities make strict rules, traffic accidents can be reduced. अगर authorities strict rules बनाते हैं तो traffic accidents को कम किया जा सकता है. Now, how to replace this? First idea is to use when. When authorities make strict rules, comma, then traffic accidents can be reduced. Second sentence, making stern rules or strict rules can reduce traffic accidents. Third, traffic accidents can be reduced by making strict rules. Fourth, to reduce traffic accidents, authorities should make strict rules. So, one more. In order to reduce traffic accidents, comma, authorities should make strict rules. So, have you seen? We have used when, we have used in order to, we have used ing gerund, and we have used to, we have used by, and let me see. Strict traffic rules can reduce traffic accidents. One more can be this also. So, when you have so many options, why you should repeat the same if again and again? Let us give examiner some variety in sentence structure which will help you definitely to score better. If you're getting 6 and variety is there, examiner will give you 6.5 because it plays a pivotal role in your writing. Sentence structure is very important, but top priority is views. So views along with vocab related to it and along with good sentence structure helps you to get a higher band score. If you liked it and it was helpful to you, do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.